Portuguese in India. The Portuguese were one of the earliest European powers to establish a significant presence in India during the age of exploration and discovery. Their arrival in India had a profound impact on the region, both culturally and economically. Here's an overview of the Portuguese presence in India. Arrival and early activities. Vasco da Gama's historic voyage in 1498 marked the beginning of Portuguese exploration of the sea route to India. He reached the port of Calicut, present-day Kozhikode in Kerala, on the southwestern coast of India. This voyage established a direct sea route from Europe to India, bypassing overland routes controlled by Muslim traders. The Portuguese initially sought to establish trade relations with Indian merchants, particularly for spices like pepper and cinnamon. They set up a factory, trading post, in Calicut and began trading with local rulers. Establishment of trading posts. The Portuguese expanded their presence along the western coast of India, establishing a network of trading posts and fortresses. Notable locations included Goa, which became the Portuguese capital in India, and Daman and Diu. Conflict with local powers. The Portuguese faced resistance from local rulers and the Ottoman Empire, which controlled key trade routes. This led to conflicts, including naval battles and fort sieges. Conversion and cultural impact. Alongside their trading activities, the Portuguese also sought to spread Christianity in India. Missionaries played a significant role in converting some local populations, particularly in the western coastal regions. The Portuguese also left a cultural impact, with elements of Portuguese architecture and cuisine blending with Indian culture in areas under their influence. Decline and Dutch competition. Over time, the Portuguese Empire in India began to decline due to financial difficulties, internal conflicts, and competition from other European powers, particularly the Dutch. British and Dutch ascendancy. By the late 17th century, the British and Dutch had established themselves as dominant trading powers in India, overshadowing the Portuguese. End of Portuguese rule. In 1961, India launched a military operation to reclaim the territories of Goa, Daman, and Diu from Portuguese colonial rule. This marked the end of over 450 years of Portuguese presence in India. Legacy. The Portuguese presence in India left a lasting legacy. It introduced new foods, such as chili peppers and tomatoes, and influenced Indian cuisine. The spread of Catholicism in certain regions, particularly in Goa and parts of Kerala, is also a lasting legacy of their presence. The Portuguese period in India was marked by exploration, trade, cultural exchange, and conflicts, and it played a significant role in shaping the history and culture of the Indian subcontinent.